Hello, this is Sunday Anaga, and I'm here today again to show you another crucial way whereby you can make yourself passive good money this day. Now, I need you to understand that there are simpler ways whereby if you apply, you can make yourself good money, no doubt about that. But today, I'm going to show you easiest way to make money on YouTube. But before I go fully into that, I would like you to subscribe to this channel that you are watching so that any other time I drop other video that can enhance your making money level, then you will have free access to watch all my videos and the previous video that I have on this particular channel. That is, by the way, today I need you to understand that the easiest way to make money for yourself is by YouTube. In my previous videos that I have on this channel, I was able to tell you clearly that you can make money from YouTube, and I was also able to show you how you can create a YouTube account and how you can turn it to a making money machine for yourself, doing just what you know to do on YouTube. So today I want to encourage you, if you have not created a YouTube account, please do yourself well. And if you are a layman to how to create a YouTube account, I encourage you to watch my video. Go to my YouTube channel, this particular one you are watching. In my channel, I have so many videos showing you how you can create YouTube video and how you can get your channel monetized even under 3 months or under 1 month. It is free. So go to my YouTube channel, this very one you are watching, Sunday Anaga. Then once you subscribe, you have free access to watch my videos. Subscribe, then click on the bell notification sign there so that you will have free access without restriction to watch all my video on this particular channel. So once you have subscribed, then go to a shares page on the YouTube, then search for Sunday Anaga, then my page will open. In that YouTube shares again, just click shares. You will see my video, then put the keyword of what you are looking for, just like YouTube. Then all my video that I have done concerning YouTube, it will just pop off. Then you click and watch so that you know how to create a YouTube account. That is the way to go about that. So today, I would like to tell you how much you can begin to earn from YouTube, and you can graduate from one level to another in earning, particularly on YouTube. Now, I need you to understand fully well that if you have 1,000 to 5,000 views on your YouTube channel, YouTube will pay you 12,000 US dollar or more. That is from the start, from a crash. And you can increase that by your work. You can actually increase that by your work. So please, I charge you today, sit up, do a very good work on YouTube. That time you are wasting is not really helping you out. You can convert those time you are wasting out there doing nothing to YouTube, then definitely you can start making yourself good money from YouTube. Please, and I need you to understand that before you can be able to make money from YouTube, the first prerequisite, the first requirement is that you must get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. That I've explained vividly on my previous video on this particular channel. So go watch it so that you can be able to get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour under even 1 month. With that, you will now be able to have a chance of earning from YouTube on daily basis. So that is the way to go about that. So once you get your YouTube subscribe or monetized, definitely you stand a chance of earning high quality, legitimate money from YouTube on daily basis. Thank you. Subscribe to this very channel so that I can tell you more about how you can make money from YouTube and other ways in making yourself good money from this channel online on daily basis. Thank you. Watch out for part 2 of this video where I can elaborate and expatiate more that will help you a long way in making money. Thank you. See you some other time.